Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add an image to your page background on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your site where you can choose all of your websites. We have the setup, the home, we have the settings, and in the bottom left corner, the design site, and of course the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add an image to your page background on Wix. So to add an image as a background in Wix page, you need to go and follow these 4 steps. Step 1 is to click site design or background on the left side of the editor. So you need to go to the editor on the design here, which is of course in the bottom left corner, or in the top right corner as you can see here. Then hover over the page background and click Customize, or click Image directly. Then select an image from the Media Manager or upload an image from your computer or social media account. Then click Change Background or Apply to confirm your choice, and you will have it changed. So you have your image input. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll see you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.